Hi, this is Griffin with Mega Prima Furniture, and today we're going to be building the Mainstays 5-cube vertical storage organizer. This is the white finish, and this product can only be found on Walmart.com. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can contact the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step one, we're going to take our 6 B panels and 12 plastic dowels. We're going to put one plastic dowel into each of these unfinished edges in the middle pre-drilled hole. For step two, we're going to take our A panel and our 6 B panels. We're going to stand the A panel up so that the side with the most pre-drilled holes is facing towards these B panels, like so. So this side without the middle holes is going to be facing away. We're also going to need 12 of our screw number 1s and 12 of our caps. I'm going to grab a B panel, put the plastic dowel piece into the A panel, just like that. And then we're going to screw that in with 2 of our screws here. And then once you attach those 2 screws, you can cover up with 2 of the caps. I'm going to repeat that 5 more times. So when you're done, this side should look like this, with all the screws covered up with the caps. For step 3, we're going to do the same thing with this other A panel. 12 screws and 12 caps. For step 4, we're going to nail down our C back panels. Make sure that you actually nail these down. It's very important for the stability and structure of the unit. We provide you with this little nail holder here. It's pretty useful. You can just put the nail into that little hole here, hold the nail holder up against the unit, nail it down, pull that out, and then finish the nail off. Make sure that you're nailing down into the middle of these panels here. If you nail down into the edge of it, it might cause the nail to break through and it won't look too good. So make sure that you're nailing straight down into the middle and that you line these squares up so that it's even on all edges. You'll notice that there are little perforated pre-drilled holes there. That's where you want to nail down for each panel. Okay, after you've nailed down those back panels, you can go ahead and stand your unit up. For safety, you'll want to make sure that you use our bracket assembly here. You'll just want to grab the little screw, put it through that little washer there. You'll then put it through this side of the bracket, and then you'll screw this down into the top of the unit, and then slide this bracket forward or backwards for the wall that you're going to be mounting it to, just depending on how far away from the wall you want it. So to do that, you'll just go ahead and put that through there. Here's a good spot here to screw in this screw. And you can also lay the unit back down to do this if you'd like. Okay, and then once you have that screw started, you want to go ahead and mount this up against the wall. And then once you have it mounted, go ahead and finish screwing that screw all the way down to make sure that it's secure and to keep the unit from falling over on anybody. Then you can screw it down all the way to where this won't move around. And once you've done that, you now have a complete unit. And just so that you can see, here's what the unit looks like down on its side like this. And of course, you could always stand it up onto one of these edges. Just make sure that you mount it to the wall like we showed in the last step.